Chile is a long, narrow country stretching along the western edge of South America, bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Andes Mountains to the east. But that's not all. It has some lesser no gems nude beaches which many people may not know about. A truly untamed nude beach, yes, you heard right. Join me as we dive headfirst into this daring, unfiltered experience where the bold meet the tranquil. Here, freedom is redefined, and openness reaches heights you never imagined. Ready to break free and embrace it all? Playa Luna is Chile's most famous nude beach. It has been drawing free spirits since the late 1990s. Tucked away near Hocon, this secluded spot became the country's go-to destination for naturists seeking a place to relax without boundaries. It's not just about bearing it all, it's about embracing freedom and letting go of societal norms. Visitors at Playa Luna engage in a variety of activities, from sunbathing in the raw to swimming and exploring the rugged coastline. Women also enjoy playing volleyball, taking long, meditative walks, and even yoga sessions on the sand, swimming and connecting with nature in a deeply personal way. They also participate in community activities where they connect with other women, share their stories, experiences, and learn from each other. Small parties and cultural events are regularly organized so that people can connect and build new friendships. It's a laid-back, respectful environment where body positivity reigns, and you can feel at ease being yourself. If you're bold enough to embrace it, Playa Luna offers an unforgettable experience where the lines between adventure and tranquility blur seamlessly. Playa Luna does host small gatherings and events. These are typically low-key and focused on promoting body positivity and a natural, healthy lifestyle. Participants at these events are often naturist enthusiasts who come together to share the experience in a respectful and non-judgmental environment. Moreover, there are smaller naturist communities and private clubs that organize events throughout the year, often in rural or secluded locations. These communities promote a sense of freedom and body acceptance and often emphasize the importance of environmental conservation. What do you think about this nude beach? Share your thoughts in the comments below. While we are talking about Chile, it's impossible not to talk about wines, which is the pride of this nation. Chile's wine story dates back to the 16th century, when Spanish conquistadors first brought grapevines to this rugged land. Fast forward to the 1800s and French varietals like Cabernet Sauvignon and Carmenere transformed Chile into a powerhouse on the global wine stage. Today, Chile's wine is known for its bold flavors and unparalleled quality, nurtured by the country's diverse climates and rich soil. Chile's wine scene is famed for its exceptional varieties. Notably, the robust Carmenere, often called the country's signature grape, stands out with its deep, earthy flavors. The vibrant Cabernet Sauvignon and smooth Merlot are also top picks, delivering bold and well-rounded tastes. Don't miss the crisp Sauvignon Blanc and elegant Chardonnay from the cooler regions. Each of these renowned vines reflects Chile's unique terroir, offering a taste of the country's rich vinous heritage. Curious about how this magic happens? Chile offers unforgettable winery tours where you can sip and swirl your way through the country's finest vineyards. From the Casablanca Valley to Mapo, winemakers invite visitors to explore the artistry behind every bottle. Learn about the winemaking process, stroll through lush vineyards, and of course, indulge in tastings of world-renowned wines. Whether you're a connoisseur or a curious traveler, Chile's wine tours offer a journey through history, flavor, and the vibrant heart of the country. In addition to wine, Chile and cuisine is also a must-try. Chile's cuisine is a tantalizing blend of diverse influences and local ingredients. Picture this: juicy empanadas bursting with savory fillings, or the iconic pastel de choclo, a hearty corn pie brimming with spiced meat, vegetables, and a golden crust. Don't miss the fresh seafood, especially the rich, succulent sea urchin or clams in a comforting chupe. Chile's SDO, a barbecue tradition, showcases perfectly grilled meats with smoky flavors. Top it off with a glass of local wine and some rich, homemade mercan spice. Chilean food is a feast for the senses, combining tradition with vibrant, fresh tastes that tell a story of its land and culture. Chile bursts with colorful festivals throughout the year, each celebrating its rich culture and heritage. In February, the Festival de Vina del Mar turns up the volume with international music stars and lively performances, drawing crowds for a week of entertainment. September's Fiestas Patrias marks Chile's independence with exuberant parades, traditional dances, and a feast of classic Chilean foods, embodying national pride and unity. In March, Semana Santa in Valparaiso offers dramatic religious processions and artistic displays, reflecting deep cultural and spiritual traditions. Easter Island's Rapa Nui festival in April brings the Polynesian heritage to life with traditional dance, music, and ceremonies honoring the island's unique culture. Each festival is a vibrant celebration of Chile's diverse traditions, providing a dynamic window into its cultural soul and offering locals and visitors alike a chance to immerse in the country's spirited celebrations. Chile is a tourist paradise. The must-visit spots are a feast for the senses. The otherworldly Atacama Desert offers stunning landscapes and starry skies. Patagonia's rugged beauty beckons with its glaciers and dramatic peaks. Easter Island's Moai statues hold ancient mysteries. Santiago, the capital, pulses with vibrant culture and history. The Lake District enchants with its picturesque lakes and volcanoes. Each destination reveals a unique facet of Chile's diverse and breathtaking natural and cultural landscape, making them truly unforgettable. Let's move to the city side. Santiago, Chile's bustling capital, is a vibrant blend of modernity and tradition. Nestled between the Andes and Chilean coast range, it offers a dynamic urban scene with lively markets, chic neighborhoods, and rich cultural spots. Explore the historic Plaza de Armas, marvel at the art in the Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes, or savor local cuisine in Bohemian Bella Vista. Santiago's stunning skyline, framed by snow-capped mountains, makes it a city where the energy of the present meets the echoes of the past. Well, if you are planning a trip to Chile, this might help you. The cost of housing in Santiago varies significantly depending on the neighborhood. In central areas like Providencia and Las Condes, renting a one-bedroom apartment can cost between $500 to $1,200 per month. In more affordable neighborhoods like Ñuñoa or Santiago Centro, prices might range from $300 to $700. Buying property is also an option, but prices are generally high in central locations and lower in the suburbs. Dining out in Santiago is relatively affordable. A meal at a mid-range restaurant might cost between $15 to $25, while street food and casual dining options are often under $10. Grocery prices are reasonable, though imported goods can be more expensive. A weekly grocery bill for one person may range from $50 to $100. Public buses and the metro in Santiago are affordable, with fares ranging from $1 to $2 per ride. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also available. Renting a car costs around $30 to $70 per day, depending on the vehicle type and rental duration. Chile has a relatively straightforward visa policy. Citizens of several countries can enter Chile for short stays without a visa, while others may require one. The visa types generally include tourist visas, business visas, and student visas. Citizens from many countries, including the United States, Canada, most European Union member states, Australia, and Japan, do not need a visa for short visits, typically up to 90 days. Travelers from these countries usually receive a tourist card, Tarjeta de Turismo, upon arrival, which acts as a visa. It's crucial to keep this card safe, as it must be presented when departing Chile.